turn off pause all notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off pause all notifications easy and quick on Threads. So first thing, you can click here, and here guys you can click on this icon and click on notifications, and here guys you will find the first option, which is pause all, and you can tap on it and turn it off. And this is it guys. Now you did turn off pause all notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.